So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial where in this tutorial we can discuss how you can fix the game not launching issue on your Steam. If you don't know if you have some of the corrupted files for the game, yeah, the Steam will not be able to launch the game for you. So in this video we can discuss how you can recover those corrupted files, or if any issue is occurring in the game, you can directly fix that. You don't need to install and install the game again. It may require a lot of data. You can simply verify the files for the game. Steam provides you this feature. So all you have to do is to just simply run the Steam client on your PC. When you open the Steam, you have to go to the option of library. You can see at the top window the second option is the library option. When you click on this option, you can see the library home has been right in front of you, where you can see your downloaded games right there. Now in order to fix the game, all you have to do is to like, if the Counter-Strike game is not running in my PC, so all I have to do is to just simply right click on this game, and here you'll see an option of properties right below there. Just simply click on this option. When you click there, you can see the general settings has been opened for this game. Now you have to go to the option of installed files at the left window. You can see it just right there. When you click on this option, the three option will enable right in front of you, where you have to click on this option verify integrity of files. You can see this option is right in front of you. Just simply click on this option. Now you can see the integrity of file has been checking, and if the client found some of the corrupted files for this game, it can directly fix those files so that you can stream the game without any issue and smoothly. This process may take some time. You have to be patient, and once it's done, your game is ready to play. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.